Michael J. Fox stars as an overly sensitive teen.
I'm going through changes. I'm sick of being so average.
But they're not your average kind of changes.
I have problems.
There's something different about you.
I'm a werewolf.
An explanation is probably long overdue.
Werewolves are people, just like anyone else.
Give me a keg of beer.
And despite a change in popularity,
I've got to be the wolf. I mean, that's what everyone expects.
life gets pretty hairy.
I am what I am.
Especially for a teen wolf. Michael J. Fox stars
You are an animal.
in Teen Wolf next.